early. It's like 7 a.m. Got the ocean behind me. We're gonna do some saltwater fishing. And yeah, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Been kind of sucking lately. But I'm here for a week, so expect some catch and cooks, just a lot of videos, a lot of content. So yeah, see you down the lake. Start at. We're gonna work our way down and see what's up. Only got one rod today. Just a cheap bait casting. Got a little spoon on there. It is actually. It's not even that. It's not low tide, surprisingly, even though it's the morning time. Usually low tide. But it's about mid tide or high tide. I think it's actually like a low high tide. Let's get down here. But it's early in the morning. There's no one in the water, so I figured I'd be allowed to. I'm not gonna spend all day here. I'm just making a few casts. See if I can't get a feisty little calico or spot. I don't really know. Fished here yesterday. I did pretty good. Caught a few fish. Going. On the drop shot. On the drop. Right when I dropped it down. Let's go. On the drop shot. Okay, cool. Ow. Tiny little calico. Ow, dude. Frick. Chill. Dang it, he bit off like half of it. Cool. Slippy. Tiny little guy. Going back. There was a few down there, actually. I'm supposed to be fishing here, so. Dude, there's a bunch down there. Dude, nope, careful, dude, nope. Got another little calico looking at it. This is pretty dumb, man. Dude, oh, got a big one. Dude.
Is it really? It's not a... What?
Oh, shoot. Another cow. Oh, dude, my rod. Just ripped the rod out of my hand. Gotta use this guy as some leverage. Grab him up. Another one. Video game leverage. Oh, okay. I can use the pliers or stick it with my hand. I'm not trying to do it with my hand, but yeah, look at that. Look how he's. Get my. Oh, fish. Look at that. Dude, oh, he's gonna have it so choked. Oh, I done already. Come on, go. One more, yeah. You want a big piece? That 20-pound one, never see how choked he has. He definitely. the one I wanted to catch. Oh, calico. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, flip. Get in the boat. Don't. Sorry, boy. Upgrade. 11-incher, I would say. Actually, no, it probably was. There it goes. Drop it down. This shouldn't be too spooky. That was a calico, too. The wrasse I'm trying to catch using my bait for the big old boys. How about I drop all the way down? And a bite. I think he may have took it. Got another one. What is that? What is that? What is that? It's different. Wrasse. Big old wrasse. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. My rod is loaded from this little guy. Alright, here we go. Oh, pregnant wrasse? No, I'm not going to use this guy. He's too big. Okay. Really soft, neat looking fish. Oh. Just get a release. Plop. Oh, something neat. Got it. See, I told you I had dino. Told you I had dino. Okay, little baby calico. Okay, it's okay. Hey, how come on the gill? Why is he bleeding? It's okay. Been caught before. He's 7 inches. So, ow. Okay, let him flop back.